said Tuesday to all of us and the Federation of Senior Citizens Associations of the Philippines would like to thank the Honorable Chairperson of our Committee on Senior Citizens and all the Congress people here and all the guests. I would like to be down to earth. I am not really a technical person, but I would like I would like to dwell on two bills, namely the Universal Social Pension and the Centenarian Award. But before I do that, this will be a short comments only from PESCAP. I would like to update everybody that via the Presidential Proclamation 470, we will be celebrating our 31st anniversary of the Elderly Filipino Week. This will be from October 1 to 7. And this is to give due recognition to us elderly, to us senior citizens, for having contributed to community development and nation building. I would like to agree on the comments of Brother Poroy that kailangan magkaroon na ng aksyon tungkol sa Universal Social Pension. Ang ating, with due respect, ang ating Commission for Senior Citizens has been established about 5 years back. At dito upang ma-focus ang atensyon nila sa mga nakatatanda who during our younger years, we contributed to community development and nation building. Dapat ang DSWD na overloaded sa mga projects at trabaho, dapat endorse na sa ating National Commission upang ang National Commission ay maging buhay na buhay at makatulong. So ang National Commission is doing its good work. Carry on. Kailangan lang na sana yung dalawang bills, yung Universal Social Pension at Centenarian Award na matagal nang medyo nakabinbin. Yung Centenarian Award mula sa 25,000 for every 5 years ay naamendahan. Ngayon ay 10,000 na lang for every 5 years. Pero hanggang ngayon ay kailangan pang bigyan ng diin at ma-aksyonan agad. Yung Universal Social Pension ay kailangan ng mga tatanda. Hindi lang yung mga indigents ang dapat nabigyan ng tulong ng ating pamahalaan. Lahat tayo, whether rich or poor, na karamihan sa atin ay retired na, retired na kagaya ko. 86 years old na ako. Pero nandito pa rin tayo upang magkapit puso, magkatulungan, magkaisa, para sa ganoon maitulak natin itong magagandang legislations na dapat ay maaprubahan kaagad. So, I will not be technical, but gusto ko lang bigyan ng diin na panahon na para ang ating Universal Social Pension na pumayag nga tayo kahit 500 na lang para ma-approve agad dahil sa budget, pero sa mga succeeding years ay madadagdagan na. Pero ngayon, sa aking naririnig ay gagawing 1,000 dahil kailangan ng nakatatanda na, lalo na sa maintenance medicine and so forth and so on. Nais ko rin sigundahan yung ating pangangailangan sa Centenarian Award na hanggang ngayon ay hindi pa masyadong na-aksyonan. At dapat lang ang DSWD ay ibigay sa ating National Commission yung lahat ng mga kailangan, kagaya ng mga personnel na medyo kailangan nila. Hanggang ngayon sila ay umaasa pero hindi pa rin nabibigay ng DSWD. Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng updates mula sa DSWD at National Commission. At dito, we would like to appeal to our National Commission for Senior Citizens that dapat umaksyon kaagad. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.